Give me my present them. I wanna give me my present them. See that? See me sell that? Nicki Minaj. Oh, she not over Instagram like that. Nicki Minaj. Me not see no lion and me not see no universe. Nicki Minaj, what a black clot you deal with. You know much lion me see Nicki Minaj give out. And Tiger. Nicki. Somebody tag Nicki Minaj for me. She mostly over TikTok and me not do TikTok. But I just want to say Merry Christmas, Nicki, to you, your hubby, and your son. Big up yourself, Nicki Minaj. But I was just wondering, for 2025, not because me not do TikTok. Me have my TikTok account, but me not really do TikTok. Me just look on the TikTok video them. But I am saying, isn't it fair to say that Nicki Minaj, you don't deal with Matterhorn good? I'm here, your friend. I'm have an ex-born for pick with Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj, I never seen a lion. Me never see one zebra. Me never see one alligator, one cheetah, one jaguar, one monkey, one of the macaw bird them. Me never see you put none over my side yet. Me see you put lion and tiger and me see you give them all universe over one part. Did it occur to you, Nicki Minaj? Happy holidays to you and your family. Did it ever occur to Nicki Minaj that is me say it kind of look tricky? I'm checking out Nicki, but the time is up on me. Isn't it me, Nicki Minaj, sing say better than a eastern climate, Tony Matterhorn, dirty wine it. So, oh, you big up me and me, big up you and me. Never seen a universe or no lion over. So me not a zoo. Me not like the zoo. I joke this. I mean some man from Mars and me forget you.